Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is V2K. V2K stands for voice to skull. Yes, voice to skull. The term ear is not present there. That means here ear is bypassed. So what's happened actually here in this case, this V2K has been studied for actually military communication. Yes, this has been studied for military communication, for silent messaging between soldiers in the field. That this was the purpose of this V2K technology. But according to whistleblowers and victims, it's also been used for psychological warfare, harassment, and even mind control experiments. This is according to whistleblowers and victims. And the discussion of this thing actually often gets buried under conspiracy theory category. Okay, so this thing is to know, and this phenomenon actually relies on what's called the microwave auditory effect. Microwave auditory effect, and this was documented in the 1960s. So what is done actually in this case of in this technology? Sound is beamed directly into your auditory cortex. Auditory cortex, that is the inner part of your skull, not this outer ears. Okay, inner part of your skull, auditory cortex. So sound is beamed directly. Sound in the form of what? In the form of microwaves or ultrasonic waves. Microwaves or ultrasonic waves. So in that form, sound is beamed and it is directed directly into your auditory cortex. So in this case, what happens? Your ears are not used, outer ears are not used. Those outer ears are actually bypassed. And if you use any protection to block the sound, you actually won't be able. It is nearly impossible to protect yourself or shield yourself from that sound. This sound wave directly hits your mind. You can hear, but without the use of your outer ears. This is the technology. Actually, what happens when microwaves hit your skull? You know, inside your skull, tissues are there. So expansion of tissues occur. And vibrations also occur at the same time. Those vibrations are sensed by your inner ears, and that is nothing but sound. Your inner ears can hear that sound without using your outer ears. So this thing actually happens. So you know, this is the technology. How to bypass your outer ears and communicate with you. This is the technology. But to disrupt this technology, other technologies are there to disrupt this one. Say for example, communication, soldiers are communicating with themselves using this technology, and you want to disrupt their communication. So what do you need to do in that case? You need to create an interference wave, which is also microwaves, but in the same frequency range. So when interference occurs, that means you have become able to disrupt that communication. Again, shielding materials are also available, like conductive mesh. So either by using conductive mesh or these microwaves in the same frequency range. Okay, means these are what? Counter frequencies. Counter microwave frequencies are being generated, and that way communication is disrupted. So you know that as tech advances, so abuse of the same thing grows rapidly. This is known to you. This is your experience. So maybe tomorrow's war might not be fought with bombs or bullets. Maybe tomorrow's war might involve this technology, and other technologies are also there. So here in this technology, what is happening? It is sound waves hitting your skull directly, or inner ears directly, or auditory cortex directly, without using your outer ears. This is the technology, and disruption of the same technology is also possible. And that's not difficult, that's easy actually. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. If you found this video interesting, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.